Okay, let's see the area of a rectangle. The area of a rectangle, remember, is different from the square. The square is side times side. A rectangle is length times width. Length times width. And now we can see where the length is at the top and the width is at the sides. Let's measure all the total space in this rectangle. Like the first we did, length times width. Let's see how many boxes we have on the length side. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. So the length is 16. What about the width? Let us count from top to bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 boxes on the width side. So what then is our area? Our area is 16 multiplied by 8, and the answer is 128 square centimeter. Now, can you try the other one, the smaller rectangle on there? Alright, let's try it in 10 seconds. Count the number of boxes on the length and count the number of boxes on the width from top to bottom and find the area. Okay, you have just about 8 seconds more. And 5 seconds more. Alright, the time is over. Now let's see if we got the answers correctly. The area of this smaller rectangle is length times width. What is our length? How many boxes do we have in the length? We have 10 boxes in the length, and in the width we have 5 boxes. So the area is 10 multiplied by 5, and our answer is 50 square centimeter. Great job. Now let's go over to the next one. So let us try some more exercises. This exercise is from your workbook, page number 183. So you can open your workbooks and make the corrections in case you have done the answer wrongly. Now let's do 1D. I'll make 2 for you and then you do the others. 1D. Now 1D has a long rectangle, a light green rectangle, and the area of a rectangle is length times width. We're supposed to find the area of this rectangle. Now let us find the length and let us also find the width. What is the length of this rectangle? Let us count from the top of the rectangle from left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 boxes. So this means that the length is 6 centimeters. But what about the width? We are supposed to count the width from top to bottom. If we count from top to bottom, how many squares do we have? Just one. We have only one for the width. So the area is 6 centimeter and the width is 1 centimeter. We have just one box for the width and 6 boxes for the length. So we multiply 6 multiplied by 1, and our answer is 6 square centimeter. Okay, let us see also the second one, 1F. let us see 1F. The same way, it's a rectangle, and to find the area of a rectangle is length times width. Length times width. Now, what is our length? We'll count from the top of the rectangle from left to right. So let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We equally have 6 as the length of the rectangle. What about the width? We count from the top to the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 boxes on the width. Now, what does this mean? It means we multiply 6 by 10, and 6 times 10 is 60 square centimeter. So it means the answer of the area of the green rectangle is 60 square centimeter. Now let's try some more exercises. Open your workbook to page 184 and let's see, we'll do 2 out of 4. I'll do 2 for you and then you can do the other 2, okay, by yourselves. We're going to try question 2D and 2A. Let's do question 2D first. It says, draw the following on the Greek paper. So we have to draw a yellow square that has an area of 36 square centimeter. A yellow square that has an area of 36 square centimeter. Now, the area of a square, remember, is side times side. And we have an area of 36 square centimeter. Now, what two numbers will I multiply to give 36? It says side times side, and for a square, the two sides are the same. So I must multiply two same numbers to give 36. 1 times 1 is 1. It can't give me 36. 2 times 2 is 4. I still don't have 36. 3 times 3 is 9. It's not 36. 4 times 4 is 16. It's not up to 36. 5 times 5 is 25. It's not up to 26 too. But 6 times 6 is 36. So that means the side of the square is 6. So 6 times 6 is 36. Okay, so now I will draw a square with 6 sides on the length and 6 sides on the width. That is the yellow square you see on the grid. Okay, this is how you make your own grid. So with this example, follow the example and make another one. 2A. Let us see 2A. We're supposed to draw a red rectangle that has an area of 15 square centimeter. Alright, the area is 15 square centimeter. Remember that a rectangle, to find the area, is not side times side like the square. To find the area is length times width. So the area is 15 square centimeter. The book already told us that. Now we have to multiply length and width. So what two numbers can I multiply to have 15? I can multiply 1 times 15. I will have 15. I can multiply 3 times 5. I will have 15. I can turn it over and multiply 5 times 3. It's still 15. And I can have 15 times 1 is 15. So I can make 4 different shapes from this rectangle. So which one would I like to choose? Alright, I am going to choose the one with 3 times 5. 3 times 5. Oh no, I'll choose 5 times 3. 5 for my length and 3 for my breadth or the width. So I'll make 5 boxes on the length and 3 boxes on the width. So you can choose from the other ones. You can choose 1 box on your length and 15 boxes on your width, or 3 boxes on your length and 5 boxes on your width, because you will still have a total of 15 small boxes inside any of this that you choose. Okay, so that is how you find or draw shapes that already have an area. Okay, let's go over to the next. Students, there's just one more to go, okay? Click on the part 3 link so we can continue the lesson. We have just a few minutes till the end of the lesson. Thank you.